The City of Johannesburg Mayor Dada Morero has tabled his 2025 State of the City address today in Braamfontein. Amongst others, Morero spoke of the city's woes in the provision of service including housing, water, electricity and urban decay. The mayor's main turnaround plan includes restoring essential services, revitalizing the inner city and creating a city that benefits all. Now, this involves building a new water reservoir to address the ongoing unstable water supply across the city.
Imeya yaseGoli uDada Morero memezele izinhlelo zokwakha indawo yokugcina amanzi ukuze kubhekwane nezinselele eziqhubekayo zokuhlinzekwa kwamanzi edolobheni. Lokhu kwenze osukwini lanamhlanje ngesikhathi ethula inkulumo yakhe yesimo sedolobha emkhandlwini waseJoburg eBraamfontein.
This is a meaningful investment in the creation of 27,000 jobs. Fellow councillors, every day we must listen and respond timelessly to the voices of Joburgers. All they want is electricity, water, transport, safety and housing. In this regard, let us continue to executing and doing the following. 1, implementing our energy sustainability strategy that tries to ensure the delivery of conventional power and integrate new distributed energy generation and energy storage facilities into the energy mix. The big idea aims to reduce our reliance on generating a capacity from Eskom. This new energy mix is designed to relieve the pressure on Eskom. 2, investing in deprived and marginalized areas with the goal of addressing deep infrastructure backlogs, transform these settlements into livable, connected and economically viable communities.
Njengoba sazi idolobha libhekene nengwadla ngokwehluleka ukulungisa ingqalasizinda yamanzi nokuhambisana nesidingo esikhulayo, uMorero uthi le ndawo entsha yokugcina amanzi izoqinisa kakhulu iJoburg Water ukuze igcine ompompi begeleza amanzi. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV, nginguNobuhle wakwaNdlovu ngibika ngiseBraamfontein.